Why? Osiris eats a pigeon. Hi, Mr. Pigeon.
Oh, and you're gonna fall in.
Where's Osiris? Oh. Get a little rambunctious. What's that cat doing? You just whack it. Osiris, you be nice. Hey, you be nice to the pigeon. Don't be mean. We be nice to the pigeon. We give it pets.
He just realized, oh wait, that's something I eat.
Hi, Osiris. Calm the tame little lion. The pigeon is our friend. We say hi to the pigeon. Hi, Mr. Pigeon. Oh, you like the pettins too, huh? You like the pettins too. See, we be nice to the pigeon, Osiris. Okay? We say hi. How you doing?
Ouch.
This is your new friend. You're gonna play nicely with him, right? You're not gonna eat him? You're gonna eat his food? Osiris and the pigeon. We pet Osiris too. Meow meow. Say goodbye. Goodbye.